The tech world is buzzing with excitement as DJI gears up to unveil its latest innovation, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. From tantalizing trailers to a flurry of leaks, every corner of the drone enthusiast community has been abuzz with speculation and insider scoops. What makes this next-generation mini drone a potential game-changer? Let's explore the latest news, leaks, confirmed features, and all the juicy details about the DJI Mini 5 Pro's highly anticipated redesign. When can we expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro to hit the market? Based on the company's usual product cycles and industry insiders, it's widely believed that DJI will announce the Mini 5 Pro within the next few months, possibly during their annual fall product reveal event. The exact date remains speculative, but given the steady stream of leaks and teasers, a Q4 2024 launch seems likely. As for the pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be a premium product, likely starting around $799 to $999, depending on the model and configuration. There may also be additional bundles for accessories such as extra batteries, a carrying case, and an upgraded controller. One of the most compelling aspects of the Mini 5 Pro launch is how it stacks up against its competitors. Brands like Autel Robotics and Skydio have been gaining traction in the consumer drone market, but DJI's legacy in creating feature-packed, easy-to-fly drones gives it a significant edge. The Autel Evo Lite Plus hovers in a similar price range, making it a direct competitor. However, DJI's ecosystem, paired with its superior AI and camera capabilities, could set the Mini 5 Pro apart. While Autel's Evo Lite boasts excellent flight time and 6K resolution, the rumored 8K video and AI-driven features of the Mini 5 Pro might give DJI the upper hand. As anticipation builds around the DJI Mini 5 Pro, it's clear that this drone is not just another iteration. It's a substantial leap forward in terms of design, functionality, and performance. From the redesigned frame to the advanced AI capabilities and professional-grade camera system, the Mini 5 Pro promises to revolutionize the mini drone space once again. With all these confirmed features and more potential surprises, the DJI Mini 5 Pro seems poised to dominate the skies in the market when it eventually takes flight.